Stop by and take a look at the 2021 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, body color door handles, perimeter alarm, backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, power tilting steering wheel. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.